king of fucking everything.
Smoking weed with some bitches in the club who don't drink. Talking about they get money, they got expensive taste. So I put it in her mouth and sent them both on their way.